Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make time bigger on iPhone lock screen. So I'm provide full guide. Long press in your display, click on to customize, then you get clock increase or decrease size change option. Okay, press on, but when I'm select the another font, I'm not get changing option. So you must be select this font. When you select this font, then you can easily change size. Press on done. Okay, but some device has missing this option. So first open your settings, scroll down, press on general, and open your software update. So you need to must be update your iOS 26. When you update this, then you get this feature.